Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change Microsoft account in 2025, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So first of all, you just need to go to the setting, just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to that page. So from that place you just need to go to the system, and here you just need to select your account. Once you come over here, you just need to click on your info. Once you click over here, you can easily connect your account, sign in with your Microsoft account instead. So you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, you can easily log in to your Microsoft account, and you can easily activate your profile over that place. This is the easiest way to activate your Microsoft account and change Microsoft account in Windows 11. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.